Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So in the March 2019, we see Xiaomi launch the Black Shark 2, the amazing gaming phone with 240 Hz touch sensing, and the phone come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 with a brilliant and amazing cooling system, the advanced liquid cooling. This is the world's first smartphone with a direct touch full coverage liquid cooling. This is already great phone for the PUBG lovers and the all over who play in the games. But now we have a more leaks about the upcoming Xiaomi Black Shark 3. The 5G could be the first phone with 16 gigabytes of RAM. The gaming smartphone maker Xiaomi Black Shark is said to be working on the latest on new device, a creation handset with a model number Shark KLE AO expected to be Black Shark 3 was certified in China last month. While this certificate does not disclose a lot of details about the device, but it does confirm the fact that device will come with a 5G connectivity. The handset is also tipped to come with a 16 gigabytes of RAM, making it the first smartphone to come with such a high amount of memory. Well, cramming so much RAM does not make a lot of sense. It could definitely attract customers. This info was shared by a tipstar who also says that the handset is not going to be cheap since it's his launching with a 5G connectivity. Maybe a non 5G variant will be in the new upcoming Black Shark 3 is going to be a successor of the Black Shark 2 Pro, which was launched in China last year. Although the company did not bring the handset to India, the Black Shark 2 Pro launched with a 6.39-inch FHD plus display, Snapdragon 855 plus processor, along with 4000 mAh battery with support for 27-watt fast charging. According to leak, the Black Shark 3 will come with a battery as much as 4700 mAh. However, having 5G connectivity won't be the only future-proof featuring. According to recent rumors, the handset will be the first smartphone to make a 16 gigabytes of RAM. Some may say this is the unnecessary, but other power user will appreciate the external memory, especially if proper memory management is introduced and you plan to hold on to the phone for years to come. Unless another OEM beats Xiaomi it the punch with a 16 gigabytes of RAM, we still don't know when the Black Shark 3 5G will come around. Last year, Xiaomi launched the Black Shark 2 with the octa-core 2.84 GHz processor, and the phone has a 12 gigabytes of RAM and it has a two rear camera, 48 megapixel wide and a 12 megapixel telephoto with a 2x optical zoom. So guys, this is the current update about the upcoming Black Shark 3. Maybe it's come with a 5G or not 5G. Let's see. Hope you like this video. If you like it, thumbs up and let me know your thought in the comment section. Subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.